In this video, I'll be showing you how to view and edit the model's plan before implementation. So the first thing we're going to do is enable the planning step down here in our VS Code extension. And then we can give it any prompt. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and say implement a real map solution instead of the placeholder map in the location section of our property details page. That's going to refer to this location section right here that just has a map placeholder currently. And I'll just give it some qualifiers here. Make no changes to any other existing page function, the call to action card, which is this card here, the structure of the data, the placement of the location component, and additionally, I'll tell it to use an embedded Google Maps iframe and avoid any API keys or new libraries for this example. So to kick this off, we can hit the code base button here. This will submit our code base's context along with our prompt and start generating the plan. As you can see here, we have our planning step, and our plan is essentially to modify our property detail page, locate the location section, replace the existing div with an iframe, and give it the proper source. Now, if we wanted to edit our plan, we could go ahead and click here, edit. It'll put it into our text bar here, and we can go ahead and make any changes we want to, and then click send, or we can just go ahead and click implement this if the plan looks good. And we accept our changes, and we see our map integration right here.